This conference will now be recorded.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Yeah. Yes. Hi. Hi. Good morning, Priyanka and Uday.
Yeah, good
Priya.
morning, Shiva.
Good morning. So, yeah, can we start?
Yeah.
Okay. No. Login.salesforce.com. Let me go to Rajesh. Login. So yesterday we have seen lookup relationship, right?
Mhm.
Today's let's see the master detail relationship. Then we'll go to then we'll jump into automation. Okay. Okay. So let me go to my app. Just click on app launcher. We all click Big C. Okay. Click on setup. Okay. Let me delete this. These records. So why I'm deleting is I'll tell you. If you are creating any master detail relationship in between two objects, okay, so there should be no records. Okay, then only you can create. If the records are there, what you can do, you can create a lookup relationship. Then you can change that lookup relationship to master detail. From how we change the field types, right? Field. Once we create an in field, we'll try to go change the field type, right? Like that. Once is not able to create a master. So remember, whenever you want to create any master detail, okay, uh, there should be no data in between the two objects. Okay, no data should be created previously. Then only we can create the master detail relationship. Lookup you can create anytime, but for coming to the master detail, uh, it should be empty objects. Okay, now let us go and create a master detail relationship between bill and product. Okay, whenever bill is whenever we are doing billing, so in the bill we need to call the product details, right? So when you click new bill, okay, so here I need to select, apart from employee, I need to select something called product also, right? Product information, right? Okay, so now let's go and create a relationship. So let me go to edit object in the bill. Okay, here bill will be the child, product will be the parent. Okay, so from bill, just go to fields and relationships in the object manager, fields and relationships, and click okay, and select master detail relationships. Okay, click next. Everything is same like yesterday, same thing. Okay, related to product, I want to relate it to product. See, you have products, by default you will be having two objects as a product actually. Okay, so which one we are selecting, it should be careful. Okay, so product, performance, product. Okay, okay, try to select product. Okay, once again, before this, let me go to object manager. Okay, let me see something, both are same, right? We have one standard product object called product, and whatever the product we have created, that is as a custom, right? So what I will do, I'll try to, yeah, no issues, just go to the bill object, try to create product, try to create the relationship. I mean, I came to bill object, from fields and relationship, click on fields and relationships, click new. Okay, master detail relationship, and click next. Okay, so I want to relate to product, right? I want to call the product details. Okay, product. Okay, click next. Okay, so product, what is the child relationship? Bill. Okay, okay, so what is the difference between lookup relationship and master detail relationship means? Okay, okay, so here read only allows users with the least record access to the master create or edit or delete. Sorry, read only allows users with at least read access to the master record to create, edit, or delete related detailed records. So what is read and write means? Allow users with at least read and write access to the master record, create, edit, delete, or read related to details records means. Okay, so whenever you create records in a master detail, whatever the record you created by using master detail relationship, if you delete the records in lookup, what will happen in master detail? What will happen? We'll see practically. Okay, so this just click next. Okay. See, there is already a field name product on bill exist. What happened? Do I created any in the product? Do I create on bill? Product is not there. Already field name product on bill. I'm back. Okay, let me go to the object. Just try to rename this. Okay. I just rename the object name. Okay. Products. Okay. Now go to bill object and just refresh. Let me go again. Fields and relationships. Click new. Master data relationship. Okay. Master data relationship. And click next. I want to select a product. It is selecting by default product one. Product. Yeah. Product. Okay. Click next. Okay. And then click next. Okay. Why? Because it got confused with the standard object. Okay. Then click next. Okay. Next. And save. Okay. So we have created a master data relationship in between the objects. Okay. So let's see what is the lookup, how lookup relationship will look like under master data will look like. Okay. We just click new in the bill. Okay. See, you are able to see product as well as employee. But see, products with star mark is showing, right? Right? Means it's a master detail relationship. Okay. But so both are looks like lookup only, like it will look for some product here, product information. Here it will look for employee information. Okay. Here it will look for product. But how you can say this is a lookup and this is a master means, okay, if something field is showing with the star mark, it's a product related. Okay. It's a product. Sorry, it's a master. If something field with the lookup showing is a star means it's a master detail relationship. Master detail relationship field will have star mark. Okay, star mark. Okay. Okay. Now let's go and create few products. Let's see how it looks. Product type is television. It's like Apple TV. Okay. Save on new. Next. Samsung. Okay. TV. Laptop. Sorry, not laptop. Television itself. I'll say Samsung TV. Okay. Save on new. Okay. The product. I'll say MI TV. That is televisions. Okay. Click save. Now let me go to bill and try to call that bill. Just try to create a new bill. Okay. Tax 10% discount. Yeah, bill date today. Discount 4%. Something. Amount. It's a TVs, maybe 1 lakh TV. Okay. So who is selling this product? Employee called someone. Okay. The product. Let's go to product. But it has, I have not done refresh. That's the reason. Just click refresh, then try to create a bill. Then it will come the product things. Let's refresh. Bill. Click new. Bill date is today. The tax is 10%. The loyalty, this VIP amount is going back. Okay, employee, the product, yes, Samsung TV. Okay, and click save. Okay, okay. If we click Samsung TV, it will go to the product object. Right? So this is how I just created a list. Let's see if I delete this Samsung TV. Okay, to delete here, will the bill got it? The bill got affected or not? Let's see. Bill also got deleted, right? Right? Isn't no all the bill. Let's see. It shows bill. No, right? Whenever you try to delete a record in master detail, the child also will delete, right? Right? So, but it will not happen in lookup. Okay. So that is the difference. Okay. In child, in master detail, if you delete any record in child or parent, automatically both the records will get deleted. Okay. But in lookup, it will delete only one record wherever you delete. Okay. So this
So,
how.
Shubha, lookout is better, right? No need to create
Yes.
master account in that case.
Yeah, it depends. It's not mandatory that you need to create a master detail. It's an option. You should know how to create. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. And see this topic, you just try to do more and more practice. Okay. By seeing very simple, right? How to create just 2 clicks. We are done, right? But logically, it's a very big. Means you just try to go through different scenarios, and you can ask me in the meanwhile wherever we do the training. Just ask me different scenarios so that we'll get a lot of clarity on this one. Okay, relationships. Okay, okay. So Ujesh, yesterday something you asked me, like we are done with the relationship, so we'll start another topic. Before that, I just want to, I'll just see your arc. Let me log into your arc. So we'll see this doubt, whatever you have. Priya, just see this one also, because what he does is he just created a fields, and he just created a page layout. Okay, in the page layout. One second. Yeah. So in the page layout, sorry, in the fields, whenever he created fields, we have not given as a mandatory field. Okay. But coming to the page layout, the field becomes mandatory fields. Okay.
Mhm.
So let's see that one, how to remove that one. Just by mistake, by chance, have you done any changes there? Are you able to figure out the solution? I'll see now.
Yeah, I was able to play around with it, and I was able to get that one because I created a validation rule on that one,
Mm-hmm.
and then the one on phone number was working, even though in the object manager I had
Mm-hmm.
did that, but in the front end, the client side, it was showing up as a required field. So that phone validation rule worked, even though it was still set to required, even though it wasn't set to required. You know what I'm saying?
Let's see.
I mean, I played around with it a little bit, but
Yeah, let me see. Right, this how everything is a field, right?
yep.
Oh, like this we can change actually. Okay, you can just particularly properties. Oh, oh, by default it can. Okay, like this we can change actually. see, this is something called properties, right? If you click this one, it will be able to change actually. Read only required. Okay, you said it's a required field. Okay, and
So do you just right click on it and then go to
yeah,
properties?
yeah, yes, 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 yes.
Okay. All right.
Just double click. Just double click. This is just double click. Okay, just
Or double
double
click.
click.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not able to come. Something, some other fields is not. Okay, some fields are coming and some fields are not coming. Double click. It should come read only. Phone, email. Okay. Generally, the case should be like this. Okay, required read only. Okay, like this. If you click required read only. Okay, required. If you make required, it will start. Okay, from here you can read only. This is the option actually generally. Okay, double click, we'll get like this. Understood?
Yeah, but will it still allow me to update as well? Like when I create a new record, will it allow me to enter the data in there?
Okay, okay. What you are trying to say? Whenever you try to create an data, it's not allowing, right?
No. It's not doing that. What I'm saying is that since we have it marked as read only, will I still
Mm-hmm.
be able to enter data inside that field? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, just
Okay.
try, just try multiple ways.
Okay.
Okay, we can be, but we should try. Otherwise, I'll check one more time. No issues. Try from your side. Okay,
Okay.
so that will this entire picture will be noted on your in our mind actually. Okay, whenever you get this kind of errors in practical, you'll be able to figure it out. Okay,
Okay.
I don't
Thanks.
know how everything will come. Generally, double click on the field actually. From here, you can go read and required actually. I'm also wondering is
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
what you did something to this. You paid something, you pray, and you came here. Something is not right.
Yeah.
It's
Something's
completely something something. Once again.
yeah.
Um, no. This is one actually. With this one, it will get rid of actually. This is the option. But yeah. Okay. Just try to remove all this thing and just try to put it again. Then okay.
All right, I'll try it after the class. Thanks.
Okay. 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 So now we'll start automation. Okay. Automation means, let's say we'll start with workflow. Okay. Workflow. So workflow means it's an automation process. Okay. Where, let's say, the client has given a requirement saying that, okay, so whenever he create an employee record, okay, so let me open this one, click view all. Okay. Okay. Big C. Okay, whenever a HR try to create a new joinee employee record, when they try to create new, okay, this is a requirement we got from it saying that whenever he enters all the details of new employee, okay, so he is joining in this company, okay, by giving his email ID and everything, okay, whatever the email ID, personal email ID. Say first time we'll give his personal email ID, right? Employee personal email ID, maybe Gmail or something. Okay. That time once you click save, okay. So employee has to get an email saying that welcome to Reliance Digital. We're happy, like some sort of a message, and then his employee ID, his salary, his designation, everything they want to send it through email. Okay, that they want to do automatically. They don't want to do any, they don't want to send any emails. Okay, whenever they create a record in the whenever they create an employee record, okay, by default whatever the email ID they have written and whatever the data they have given, employee name, experience, salary, okay, all these details with some sort of in like greeting message, with a greeting message, welcome to welcome the Salesforce, and so some greeting message, then his email ID, phone, like sorry, employee ID, his designation, his salary. Okay, so the end user has to, like, end user means here the new employee has to get an welcome email. Okay, so this is the requirement I got from the client. He's saying that I don't want to send an email, I don't want to send any email from my like let's say what is through maybe Gmail or from my office email. I don't want to send any email. Okay, whenever HR create a record, employee record, system, Salesforce system automatically has to send an email to the new joinee, right? So this is what the client requirement. So this how we can achieve, we can achieve through automation. In automation we can achieve through two things. One is workflow, another one is process builder. Okay, so first we'll go with the workflow, then we'll go with the process builder, then we'll see what is the difference in between workflow and what is the difference in process builder. Okay, so now this kind of scenario sometimes we have seen in so many areas. Let's say if you are using any food delivery app, any kind of services if you are using, okay, so generally you will get a promotion emails, right? Let me show you some my Gmail promotional emails saying that. Let's say in India we are having an app called Swiggy for food delivery. Okay, so they will send a lot of promotion emails. Okay, if you go to promotions, okay, so here's a Paytm. Paytm is saying that buy gold. Okay, this kind of promotions they are sending. Okay, okay, and on one more promotion, like, yeah, maybe Swiggy. Okay. Yeah, Zomato. Okay, saying that Hyderabad, get ready for the most fun-filled foodie weekend at Toyota Zomato by Zomato. Okay, and something, and sometimes I'll get an email saying that, hi Shubhani, some sort of message, right, with some sort of logos, right? This is what promotional emails, right? Same way, okay, same way this Reliance Digital company, whenever they created any employee record, HR people, whenever they create new joinee record, okay, when by entering the personal email ID, to that whatever the email ID you enter, to that email ID, they want to send this kind of welcome letter. Okay, whatever I have shown right now. Okay, welcome letter to welcome greeting, welcome email to new joinee. Understood the requirement?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, yeah. Now let's see how to do that. How to do that. So before doing that, we have some prerequisites to complete. Okay. Prerequisites means, so I need to create a letterhead first of all. Okay. Something I need to greet, right? I need to write in the letterhead, right? Saying that, hello Priya, hello Ujesh, welcome to Reliance Digital. We are so happy to welcome you to our team, and something 2 3 lines 4 5 lines you want to talk, and you want to introduce your company. We are a very so big company in electronics sales in like category, and we have our branches all over the world, and we are very happy to uh, in our team, and you are appointed to this store, and you are appointing as a store area manager, and your salary is this much, and your date of joining is today. Okay, and your designation is this one, and thanks and regards HR team. Like that, we want to write that email. Okay, so if we are sending an email means we are sending through letterhead. See, generally, okay, before sending it, you are sending through email. But generally, what you will do once an employee join your company, will give offer letter to him, right? So offer letter will give in the form of hard copy as well as soft copy. So I'm talking about hard copy. Whatever the hard copy you give, same thing you will send to soft copy. So in hard copy means you will get a letterhead, right? In the letterhead, in the top you will have the company name, logo, everything. Then in the down you will be having the address and contact numbers, everything, right? In the middle, in the body, the matter will be there, right? So that is what letterhead, right? The same thing, I want to send an email, same thing I want to send an email. So in the system here also, okay, before creating a workflow, I need to create a letterhead. So before creating a letterhead, I need to upload a logo into Salesforce. Why? Because in letterhead I'll upload logo, right? Every letter will have the company logo, right? So you can say me, Shivani, here letterhead, here logo already is there, why you want to put again logo in the letterhead? See, this is a logo in end user screen. Okay, I'm talking the logo in the letterhead. Okay, so how to do that, how to create that, just go ahead. Okay, let's see how to create that one. First of all, let's go to setup. See, if you want to upload any logo into Salesforce, okay, we need to be we have to switch to classic. Okay, in lightning still now they are not developed this option, so switch to classic to upload a logo. Means we can create our own, like how we save the data in our local hard disk, right? Same thing, same way you can save the logos and letterhead, everything in your Salesforce. Okay, so just click here, see this one, plus mark. Okay, all the tabs, plus click here. Okay, here just go to document, documents. Okay, documents. So you want to use the in personal data? No, I want to create a new document. Click new. Okay, so what is the document you want to give? I want to give the document name called logo of this company, logo. Okay, logo. Okay, logo of Big C. Okay, and externally available image. Okay, select externally available so that anybody can use. Now choose the file, whichever file you want to. So since I have not downloaded, let me download. Sorry, let me download Big C logo. Big C logo. Okay, let me save this one. Save image as on desktop. Saying that Big C logo. Now let's come back and choose on desktop. Big C logo. Okay, click save. Okay, logo got created and it's available in here. Okay, in the document. Back to the documents. So logo got created. Okay, now go back to the lightning. So go to setup. From here, go to setup. From here, workflow, letterhead. We want to create a letterhead, LE LETTR letterhead. Letterhead, LETTR letterhead. Classic letterhead. Click classic letterhead. You might ask me why classic letterhead in Lightning environment. Still they are using classic letterhead. They are working on Lightning letterhead. Okay. So click on classic letterhead. Okay. So letterhead generally look like this, right? Letterhead, company logo, and something you want to write here. Okay. And the body, we will write the content, right? So this is how the letterhead look like, right? So click next. From here, click new letterhead. Okay. So what is the letterhead name you want to give? I want to give welcome email. Okay. Letterhead name, or else I will say big C. Big C. Sorry, big C. Big C. Letterhead. Big C letterhead. Okay. Select available for use. Okay. So that we can call this letterhead anywhere wherever we are. Okay. See now letterhead how it look like. Okay. One second. Okay. From here, see this is the body. Okay. So letterheads had three parts. Okay. So it has three parts. This is one part, second and third. So what is the first part is header. This is a header, right? This is a header, and this is a body, and this is a footer, right? Footer, body, and header. Okay. In this letterhead, okay, you will not be able to write anything. Okay, you can create the template. Okay, here you cannot write anything. Okay, why? Because letterhead you cannot write anything. You will just take a printout by using that letterhead. Okay, the matter you'll have the matter in somewhere in the text file, maybe in the document. Okay, what you will do, you put the letterhead in printer machine, right? So whatever the matter you want, you just put the letterhead in the wherever you want it, maybe in the printer, scanner, wherever, and you click, you print. Then whatever the matter is there, that matter will come in the body, right? So here you're just creating a letterhead by giving the logo and designing the background colors, everything. Okay, so click here, edit header properties, means you can select the colors, whichever colors you want. Okay, I don't want to give any colors. If you want to change the colors, you can change the background color by clicking this. We want to change anything. Okay, okay, I don't want to change anything, and select logo. Okay, let me put the logo here. So that's why previously I created logo. Why? Because if I want to upload a logo here, first of all, logo should be available in Salesforce. That's the reason I just created first time logo. Okay, just select this one. See, logo came here, right? Logo got uploaded. Okay, if you want to remove, you can remove. Select logo. Okay, logo. Okay, and here also in the footer also, if you want to write anything, you can write. Okay, remove logo, you can remove. Edit top line means if you want to write a color, if you want to have some sort of color, let's say any color, red. Okay, edit background color. If you want to change the background color to, first is right. You want to change anything as a background color, you can change like this. Okay, if you want to have some different color, click. Okay, okay, let me select a good color. Okay, this color and everything will get from the client. Okay, we cannot use simply which Okay, not this much back. That's why we should be good in coloring. Okay. Okay, if you want to have these border lines, whatever the colors you want to change, okay, so you can set edit header properties. Okay, from here you can change it. Let's say yellow color. This one, sorry, here this is top line. You can go with some different orange color. Okay, edit middle line, orange color, no, yellow color. Yeah, middle line is yellow. And footer, edit bottom line. You can edit the bottom line, make it blue color. Footer properties also you can change to yellow. Okay. Preview. Click preview. It will load. Just click preview. See, let it look like this. Is good. Look like good, or something colors are there. Letterhead. This is letterhead. Is good. Something we just created. Okay. And edit the background color. I want to change to. Okay. Then preview. Okay. This is the logo. Okay. This is the letterhead. Good. Looks good. At least somehow like looks good. Okay. Or else you can change the background color. I want to change the background color to purple color. Okay. Then click preview. Before saving, we can have a preview. Right? Is somewhat looks good, right? Right? Are you able to follow me?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yep.
Yeah.
You tried your own combinations, color combination.
Yeah.
Okay. Then click save. Okay. So now letterhead got created. Okay. Okay. So now the next step is key. We have to see how to create a email template. Okay. Okay. Classic email template. Okay. So you can create a new template. Okay. So we have 4 options. We have to create 4 email templates. This will talk tomorrow. Okay. So I'm just giving an introduction. So how to create a logo, then how to create a letterhead, right? So then we'll see tomorrow. We'll create a new template, email template, and then we'll go and we'll create a workflow. Okay. Workflow from workflow. Okay. So we'll create one workflow rule. Okay. In workflow action, we'll create an email alert. Okay. Email alert. Okay. In the email alert, we'll see how to send whatever the logo and whatever the things we have created, we can see. Okay. In the workflow rules, we'll see everything. Okay. The workflow rules. Okay. So before coming to the workflow, so these are all the whatever I did, like creating an logo, creating a letterhead. Okay. So creating a email template. Okay. So before coming to workflow rules, we have to do, those are the prerequisites. Okay. Okay. So we'll see tomorrow rest of the topic, rest of the workflow rules. Okay. Are we good? Any questions so far? Hello.
Yeah, we are good.
Yeah. Okay. And one more thing, Priya and Ujesh. This Friday, okay, this Friday and Saturday I won't be available. I'm just traveling, okay, for one client visit. I'm available from Sunday. From Sunday I will take classes because Friday I'm available, but Friday evening my bus at around 10 o'clock. I'm just moving to one client meeting, so I had to catch bus by 10:30. So I have to leave from home by 10 o'clock. So that day I'll be in busy rush. So can we do it on Sunday? We both of you are available on Sunday, so that whatever the session I miss on Saturday, Friday, I'll continue from Sunday, Monday. One day,
Yeah, that is fine. No problem.
yeah, Sunday. Yeah, Ujesh, will
Yeah,
it be fine for you?
Yeah,
Okay.
Sunday at 10 a.m., right?
Yeah, Sunday 10 a.m. Yes.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Yeah, I'll inform to this training team. Priya,
Tomorrow,
I'll
tomorrow we'll
yeah.
meet and then not on Friday,
Yeah,
right?
yes. Tomorrow we'll meet, and again on Sunday then. Tomorrow we'll meet. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet. Again, Friday, Saturday I will not available. Sunday I'll come back to home. So Sunday evening I will connect. Okay.
All right, thanks.
Just a reminder, Shubhani. Sunday,
Yeah.
this message, just as a reminder.
Yeah. Just that's what I'm trying to say. Just leave me a message. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
And for Ujesh also I'll leave an message. Okay, in WhatsApp.
Okay, thanks.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Shubhani.
Okay. Thank you.